Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Only's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion from March 8th to 20th. First, we're going to take a look at the expected storm to affect the middle and to go northeast with another nor'easter. We're going to look first. This is the GFS. And we're going to start here and we get to Tuesday. And you can see here's the low right here. This is Wednesday. See, that's a movement here. And now we're going to look at the European. Do I have the European? Okay, no, I don't. Sorry about that. Wait a minute. Yeah, I do have the European. Okay, take a look at the European. Now here's the difference. The GFS is a little closer to the coast, and that would be a more precipitation and a warmer event, meaning more rain, as the European is a little further west, which is a colder solution. And if you look here, here's a freezing line right here, well offshore. So this is the colder solution compared to the European, the GFS is a little closer, but still it has the rain snow line is further out. So this is still developing and it can still change, but right now they're looking for some areas to receive as much as a foot. Okay, I'm going to start now with the pattern. We're going to start here for the pattern March 8th to the 12th. Okay, this is what we're expecting. We're going to have a trough forecast over Alaska and the eastern Pacific, and a ridge will be over the west, and a trough in the east. And we have above normal heights remain across here, across the high latitudes. So we're going to go forward in time. You can see what I'm talking about. You can see the trough. I don't have the other models here, but show more of North America. But we have a trough basically here, ridge, trough, ridge configuration. And we come to the 12th. We don't see much change. And look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement. Precipitation is forecast for the West Coast by the end of the week. Showers and mountain snows are expected from Central California to Washington and then spreading west into the Rockies, or excuse me, east into the Rockies. As the system moves east, it should redevelop in the southern plains on Saturday and then organize over the east late in the weekend and deepen as another coastal system on Monday. Enhanced rainfall will be possible from the central Gulf Coast to the Midwest. March 11th to the 15th. Here we're at the 13th. There appears to be some movement in the circulation as far as the western ridge goes. This ridge translates into central plains, but we still have below normal heights here from Alaska and the eastern Pacific over the east, and large positive height anomalies over eastern Canada and Greenland. So I'm going to go forward to time. We're going to come to the 15th. You can see the pattern well here. This is the European. Here's the European ensembles. And here's the NAEFS. So it's pretty much an agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states. Anomalies will be about 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast here, with anomalies near 4 degrees below normal for precipitation. Below normal precipitation forecast here. Probability occurrence 35 to 55%. Above normal precipitation forecast here. And probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. March 16th to the 20th. here we are at the 17th. The trough forecast from Alaska into the west and the eastern U.S. A ridge is forecast of the west central states, and we still have positive height anomalies here across the high latitudes. So we're going to go forward in time, and we come to the 20th. Here's the pattern well. We have a ridge here, trough, trough. And then we look at the rest of the models. Again, they're in agreement. We have a trough here in the middle of North America. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here and here. And I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 4 to 8 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast here with anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is 40%. Below normal precipitation is forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is also 40%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for March 8th to 20th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.